Hey everybody, welcome back to Hawkeye Reactions. Today we are checking out Dan Vasc again. I've done a number of his songs. His covers are really amazing. He's a really good singer. Amazing range. Good balance between like cleans and metal and all that good stuff. Always fun to watch. I enjoy this kind of music. I'm going to be watching his cover of Zombie by the Cranberries. And I've checked out the Bad Wolves cover of this as well. So we're going to check this one out and see how he does. If you like this kind of content, if you love Dan Vasc, smash the like button for me. Really does help my videos. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys want me to react to next. And check out my Patreon if you're interested. It's absolutely free to join. I would love to have you guys over there. And let's just get going. Love me some Dan Vasc. I love this song as well.
Slowly, child is slowly taken, and the violence causes silence. Who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family.
Loving it so far.
What's in your head? In your head. Zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head. Zombie, zombie, zombie.
He's nailing this one, you guys. 100% nailing this one. This is a banger. And yeah, let's keep going. But yeah, no, he's nailing it so far.
Zombie, zombie, zombie. Another mother's breaking heart is taken over. When the violence causes silence, who are we mistaken? It's the same old theme in 2018. In your head, they're still fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their guns and their drones.
He's definitely adding in the Bad Wolves lyrics as well. That's cool.
Fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their guns and their drones. In your head, they are dying. What's in your head? In your head. Zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head. Zombie.
That was really good. I like that he used the Bad Wolves, music.
Hey my friends, thank you very much for watching this video. This one is a cover of an amazing song. Definitely check out the original, and the lyrics are pretty relevant. Question: what is a song that you listened to lately with lyrics that moved you, and why did it move you? Let me know in the comments below, my friends. Here's a couple more videos for you to watch. I hope to see you next time. Until then, have yourselves an epic day.
Yeah, guys, that was really good. That was Zombie, originally done by the Cranberries, and the Bad Wolves covered it. He obviously used the music and the lyrics from the Bad Wolves cover, which was great. Obviously, he wanted to take it up a level with the, with the rock and all that, and he did an amazing job. I absolutely love this cover. This was really good, super solid. This dude's amazing. Go and show Dan some love, you guys, if you have not. And please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this reaction. I can't wait to see you on the next one. And check out some of these other reactions to Dan here that I'll have up here on the screen. He's amazing. Check him out. Love you guys. Bye.